This is laying out the lights for the house. We obviously want to look at the house and see where we want to start at. And being that our power is only power we have is right here behind me. So we're actually going to start on this corner to do this house. That we are probably going to have to run an extension cord up and over to that gutter to be able to start it, to get this going. So that's where we'll start our lights at. So it is good to have them pre-bulbed and clipped. And when you're pulling them out of here, you want to just kind of nice and neatly let them come out. And you'll see that they kind of come out. And then we're just going to walk them down this to where we're going to start at. So maybe get a few more for that there. And then once we get that done, here, we'll leave that plugged in because we just want those like that needs to go over there. There you go. And usually if you just kind of let it, don't try to untangle them, just undo them like so. And then when you do have to hit that to get it undone off there, then you can do it. So we're just going to untangle them here. We got a disaster on this one because the end where we try to do it. But we're just going to untangle them. They should fall out just like those last ones, and then start walking the can right around where we need to go at there, because we got plenty of light. Keep right on going around the front of the house. There you go. Don't go underneath here. Let's go out here because we need to be out on the gutter. Give me a couple, little bit of, we'll keep bringing this here. Keep on going. That's good there. All right, you got to go easy now because now we're going to unfold them as we're walking these lights out. See, the problem of this one is we got all of this and it's getting tangled here, is why it's getting tangled. So we need to figure out a way to keep this with your hand up here, so that way it's not getting tangled in there. And then usually I'll take my other hand and then I'll just fold them out like that and keep right on walking. So keep on walking there, and now you're gonna have to fold them out, otherwise they won't come out. Otherwise they're gonna get tangled. And at this point I'd probably just pull them all out and we'll just get them all untangled here, because the reason why they got tangled is because the way we got the end there, we didn't secure that end. And then we'll just go behind the tree. We don't want to go in front of the tree. Like I say, a lot of times if you just sit there and you kind of, move them around, they'll untangle for you. Keep on going. There you go. All right, that's good. I wouldn't even go on that yet since that don't look half secure. So once we get them laid out here, so you'll take a pole and the ground guy can start throwing them up on the gutter there. So then that way you can get them done that way.